What is up, guys, and welcome back to episode number 2 in this series where I'm taking you along one day a week, and no matter what I'm doing or where I am, you're gonna be able to see what it's like being a full-time day trader. I got this awesome place. We're right on the beach. I'm here for a couple of days. So far, great start to the day. Market just opened. We're up a little over $1,500 on the day. I'll put a screenshot right there. So today, I'm gonna be trading. I'm gonna be hanging out, driving around in this sports car I'm renting, and it's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna be giving away $200 to the first person who comments on that video. Make sure to set your alerts. I'll put a timer right there. And with that said, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the second episode, which we're actually recording right now. Alright, so we're on our way right now to check out a couple of condos. As many of you know, I'm known for investing in the stock market, but I am also trying to, let's say, expand my investing horizon and dip my toes in real estate. So I'm here to look at a couple condos that the goal is to Airbnb. So get a couple condos down here in the sunny state of Florida to Airbnb and start getting some passive income going. I don't think we're going to be allowed to film inside. If we are, that's what the next shots will be. If not, here's a little montage of us driving. Yeah, so I said I was going to be transparent, okay? The day has turned around. We are now down $1,200. Before we were up $1,200, so the market has shifted. QQQ is now in the green on the day, only by a little, but these are some riskier contracts, so we are down about $1,200. Screen recording is right there. It's 1:19, so we've still got 3 hours for this market to turn around and continue selling off. This was a riskier trade, and we took it yesterday knowing that the market could continue rallying into today. I started selling off this morning, has since then recovered, but I'm just gonna be keeping an eye on this position throughout the rest of today, and we'll see how it goes. All right, we are just leaving. We just got lunch, looked at a couple places, and we are now heading back for power hour. So that's the last hour of the day, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I always make sure that I'm on my computer for the last hour of the day. That's when I'm gonna make most of my trades, either entering or closing a trade. So right now we're gonna go back, check in, and I'll make an update on my current position. Okay, so the market just closed and I am down $1,800 on the day. Now what ended up happening was the market started rallying into close. We saw this morning overall market started making lower highs. We could see that, you know, things started to pull back. In this afternoon, during the afternoon session, I was out about looking at condos and I missed, well, the market turning around, but that is fine. I did not intend on selling this at a loss today. The market is still sitting very high. It's still poised for a move to the downside. We were not able to break resistance. We did catch a bounce off support this morning, and we did end up rallying, like I said, into the end of today, but we weren't able to break yesterday's highs. So I'm still holding this position. I plan on swinging it into tomorrow. Now, problem with this whole recording one day of my week every week, I am a swing trader, which means I hold positions over a series of days. And that means that it's going to be very hard for me to document entry to exit. So, especially when we're running around doing stuff that's not just sitting in the office and trading. I'm not going to be spending as much time, you know, explaining each trade and my, you know, entries, exits, why I'm entering, why I'm exiting. Like I said, today's video is a little different. I just want to keep you informed on a position. So I told myself that even if I had a red day, I would still put it in the video. Now, that is the reality of trading. We all have red days. Unfortunately, we might not get a resolution to this trade. That's just how it's going to be with this series. We're going to be doing this series every week. We're going to be doing one show every week. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, and that's going to be more of a live update on positions and whatever I'm doing. I know there was a lot to explain, but overall, a great day. Being as transparent as possible. Yes, I'm down 1.8%. Not a big deal. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. That's trading, but I'm off. I think we're gonna go and just enjoy this day. But with that said, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you all in the next episode. Later. Thank you. All right. Perfect.
Hang on, it's so overexposed.